One of the best places to install LidRak is in a pull-out shelf. So you measure the depth, 13 inches, measure the height, 12 and 5/8 inches, and we get set. We have 12 inches of opening, so we'll use a 10-inch bracket. We'll lay out starting from the back as close as possible to the back of the board without overhang. And since we have almost 13 inches of opening, we'll lay out about 12 and 3/4, maybe 12 and 7/8, so that there'll be a little bit of space to get this in and out so it won't stick. And when we make our cut, we'll cut with the face down, so if there's any splintering, it will occur on the back side as opposed to on the face where it's visible. So we'll lay out here, make our mark at 12 and 7/8, and set up our saw, put on our safety glasses, and make our cut accordingly. So we'll start laying out from the back. So let's just try this bracket, and it doesn't have any overhang back here, so it just fits tightly against the back of the pull-out shelf. So we'll start our row of screws from there. So we'll install here like so. And when we install these, we'll start at the front. Because that gives us a little clearer access if we start this way than it would if we started at the back. Okay, our LidRak is assembled. Okay, we've got to select our lids, and the easiest way to do that is to put in our piece like this and see if they clear. That clears. These clear. And that doesn't clear. And that one doesn't clear. Okay, so we'll install all this mess in an organized, neat form in these racks right here. So we could either install in this direction or in this direction, but here we'll install this way because it will save us a little space here in front. So install these like so. And one left over.